everyone. This is Dr. Scott Goldsmith. I'm actually here with another doctor. Dr. James is an ER doctor I've known for a long time, and we did his left knee. When was that one? 2022. Did great, did nicely, but developed severe arthritis in his right knee, failed all the conservative managements, and said, time for a knee replacement. But this time we went to the Jiffy Knee approach, where we made a cut on the inside part of the knee and did not disturb the quadriceps muscle. So Dr. Robelli, Dr. James, how are you feeling? How would you compare the two types of cuts and the surgeries?
Fantastic. This one took 3 or 4 months to get where I am today at 3.5 weeks.
Wow. And you had mentioned you're back to work?
Yep.
So after about 3 weeks, you went back to work as an emergency room doctor?
Yep.
Full shifts?
Full shifts.
And how long did you use a cane or a walker after surgery?
I used a walker 1 day just to be safe, and I used a cane for 1 day.
And your pain compared to this guy, your pain through the first 3 weeks?
Minimal.
So if you had to recommend someone to have it this way or that way?
Jiffy way for sure.
Let's see you show off a little bit. Go ahead and make the knee straight. So perfectly straight, beautiful, and then bend it. Impressive. Fantastic. Well, we are ecstatic to see how well you're doing. Keep working hard. Don't work too hard at work. And the good thing is you have no more knees left, so you don't have to have any more knee replacements.
It's just hips and shoulders.
Congrats to you.
Thanks.